Good evening, friends. We are back again in the acupressure training. Friends, in this training we'll learn how to treat joint pain in acupressure. In the previous videos, we have learned that when we see our hand like this, it corresponds to our body. The middle finger and the ring finger are the legs, and index finger and small finger are the arm. And in index finger, this is shoulder joint, this is elbow joint, and this is wrist joint. I can show it to you from near area. So this joint is of shoulder, this is for elbow, and this is for wrist. And when we come to the middle finger and ring finger, so these first joints are hip joint, these middle joints are for knee joint, and these joints are for ankle. And this is also hand, this is representing shoulder joint, elbow joint, and wrist joint. So when the patient comes to you and complains about joint pain, so one of the best thing you need to recommend to your client is to use of this ring. This is acupressure ring, and this ring can stimulate all these joints. You can see like this. So this is the shoulder joint, this is the elbow, and this is the wrist. We have to use this ring for 1 to 3 minutes on each finger. And when we use it on middle finger or ring finger, so in middle finger also, this joint is the hip joint. I have to stimulate it like this. And the middle joint is the knee joint. And the joint near to the nail is the ankle joint. Similarly, we can do this ring on the ring finger as well. This is the hip joint, this is the knee joint, and this is the ankle joint. We have to use this ring 1 to 3 minutes in each finger. This is the shoulder joint, small finger representing our arm. This is shoulder joint, this is elbow joint, and this is wrist joint. So after stimulating the joints, we have to use this ring on the all 8 fingers. 4 fingers of the left hand and 4 fingers of the right hand. Do the stimulation for 1 to 2 minutes on each finger. The circulation increases and immediately you can feel relief in your joints. What we need to do after that? We need to make acupressure strips. And we need to take these small seeds, and then we will take the doctor tape and when we apply this tape on the seeds get stick on this tape. And after that, whichever joint is aching, like if it is the pain in the knee joint, so the middle joint representing the knee, so we will take this seed strip and will apply onto that joint. If somebody is having pain in the shoulder, we'll take some seeds, we'll take the tape, and again we'll apply the tape on the seeds, and the seeds will come on the tape. And now the shoulder is paining, so we'll apply it on the shoulder joint. If more than one joints are aching, we can apply seeds on all the joints which are painful. So this is for the shoulder and this is for the knee. In the previous video, we have taught you which finger is representing your right side and which finger is representing your left hand. So this is your left hand, so this is the treatment of left shoulder and this is the treatment of left knee. If someone has to treat the right shoulder, then here, and right knee here. So you can use the same hand where the pain is. If it's the pain on the right side, use right hand, and the pain is on the left side, use left hand. And it is bilateral, then apply methi seed on both hands. After this, what we need to do, basically as per acupressure, kidney nourishes our bones, and all the joint pain problems are the problem of the bones, of the skeleton system, of the joints. So what we need to do, we need to apply cluster magnet on kidney points. So where the kidney points are, first we'll see the location. So this is the index finger right in front of this. This is the kidney point, and in front of small finger, just above the small finger kidney point, above the index finger kidney point. I'll mark this point and I'll show it to you again. I'll mark them with the marker and I'll show it to you. So these are the kidney point. So we need to apply cluster magnet on these points. You need to take Dr. tape. You will take 2 pieces of the tape and will apply 1 cluster magnet on each tape. You can see how the cluster magnet looks like. So these are the big star magnet which are called cluster magnet. We need to apply 1 on each kidney point. So these are 2 kidney points. We can apply kidney points either on the left hand or on the right hand, and we can apply one day on the left hand and second day on the right hand. After this, you must give the treatment on liver for the blood purification. The treatment on the joint because that joint was paining, treatment on the kidney to nourish the bone, to nourish the joint, and now treatment on liver to purify the blood, because if there is uric acid, there is C-reactive protein, there is RA factor, then you need to purify the blood to root out the joint pain problem. So this is acupressure Jimmy, and this area represent to liver. I'll mark the liver area on my right hand. In the last video, we learned about the location of each point even on the hand. So this is the liver area, which you can see on my right hand. This is the liver area. What you need to do, you need to take this acupressure Jimmy. You can give pressure and release, press 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 and release. And after giving pressure for approximately 1 minute, the pressure should not be too hard or not be too slow even. So this is again a cluster magnet. You need to apply it on the liver point like this. Keep applying the seed on the hand where the pain is. Means if the pain is in the right shoulder, apply this seed strip on the right index finger upper joint. If the pain is in the right knee, then apply this seed strip on the right middle finger middle joint. If the pain is on the left knee, then apply seed strip on the left hand and middle joint. If the pain or problem is with the left shoulder, then apply seed strip on the left index finger and this upper joint. So you need to take the corresponding joint point on your hand, stimulate it with the acupressure ring, then apply seed strip. And after applying seed strip, mark the point of the kidneys. After marking them accurately, apply cluster magnet over them. Then you need to locate the point of the liver, give the pressure with the Jimmy for approximately 1 minute, and then apply cluster magnet on that area. When we apply seed strip, it stimulates the joint directly and immediate relief is felt. When we treat kidney, it starts giving nourishment to the bone as well as joint for the better recovery, long-lasting recovery. And we apply a cluster magnet on liver to purify the blood so that no further degeneration takes place. So this is one of the easiest way of treating the joint pain by acupressure. Keep applying these seeds and magnets at least 4 to 10 hours each day. And the treatment should be continued at least for 1 month for the good result. So friends, this is all with the treatment of joints. I hope you understand all the things, and if any doubt, you may keep asking. Bye-bye.